Heidi at Black Star Canyon. We're here after Hurricane Hillary. You're with Hike Bites, taking a hike with Heidi and Sean. Say that 3 times fast. Anyway, we hope to get some water flow. Usually after a rain, Black Star looks really great. We're going to see what we find. Come join us on our journey and explore this wonderful place with us. Really gorgeous today here. So Heidi's making her way across this weathered rock formation. Kind of is like a stepping away. I love tough guy lizards. Give me some action, buddy. Yeah. Heidi's making her way out of this little pond and waterfall onto the big fall. Okay, we're walking through the creek to cool off. It's like we said, humid, so we just need to do this so we feel better. Wow, look at these spiders, guys. These are a trip.
Ew.
They have the longest legs ever. We're just cruising along the boulders, climbing slowly, getting cooled off. We're on the trail now, and it's not much easier. Oh, we can go up. We made it to some more shade, but it's just continual boulder scrambling and in and out of the creek. Is that a dead end? So I guess we're gonna turn around and go this way. So there's no real trail, guys. Like I said earlier, it's just figure your way. That's least resistance, I guess. Oh, here's a little dirt path over there, Heidi. Let's take that. The first time we ever came here, we came to this particular spot of the hike, and we just said, where in the world are we gonna go? So we're gonna try to show you. I really want you to see the perspective here. These boulders are enormous. Look at Heidi compared to the boulder. So it is absolutely gorgeous here. My favorite part of the trail. And I love the rock climbing. If you love rock climbing, you'll love this place. So Heidi took her backpack off to slip through this small area so she can make the climb. There's a bunch of these little waterfalls just cascading down. It's nice to go slow at this part and just take it all in. And the boulder climbing has just begun. Look how many more we gotta climb. Once you make that climb, you come into this gorgeous shaded area. Look at this. Whoa. So pretty. My curiosity is getting the best of me. What is in here? Maybe it's a secret passage through, Heidi. We won't have to go around. I may be right. Yeah, it is. Tight. But you can get around, Heidi. Come on up. So Heidi's making her way through these logs and boulders. The terrain is actually really quite nice through here. Heidi's doing her job to keep it clean. You can do it, Heidi. She's stuck. You can do it. That's a tiny boulder. You just did ones probably 3 times that she just did. She just got slippery. Okay, we're coming around here. Last time I climbed up here through these roots and it got me through. So let's do it again. All right, I'm coming through here. I believe this was the way through. Yeah, it's definitely steep and hard, but you don't have to climb rock faces, which is even harder. There's an actual rope, which leads me to believe we found the easiest way through. So we got past that dicey climb with the rope, and we're cruising through. It's got a little easier, but we're still breathing hard because that was a lot of climbing.
Shawnee's gonna go on a little rope swing that's up here.
Oh, God.
Make sure it's
the right
nice
decision.
and sturdy.
Whoa!
Very careful, it's slippery.
Yeah, there's lots of ropes to help you up. It is slippery, like Heidi said. It looks like smooth sailing from here. We're gonna see. Let's see. Okay. I know the falls are close. I got here before the big crowd so I can get a beautiful picture of just the nature and the waterfall. Very gentle stream. So this is the view from the cave. I'll give you a perspective. There's Heidi down there. You can see the pool. The view from up here is gorgeous. Now let's go in and see what it is. We got a nice little pool here. Oh, look at this pool. How nice is that? And it's shaped like a heart. Are you kidding me? Okay guys, I'm gonna take a swim in this. Hope it captures me. Going in. Oh yeah. Oh, it's got a seat. Are you kidding me? It's actually got a seat. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Guys, you gotta do this. Look at this. Is this incredible? You got water falling on you. You can cool off. It has a seat. I gotta get Heidi here. I had no idea it had a seat. Okay, I'm gonna cool off on this little spritzer here. That means I can go all the way in. Okay, guys, going all the way in. Oh, that felt so good. Okay, we made it, guys. We're in the pool. It's actually really clear. Very clean water. And the super duper break from the heat.
Yeah, it's nice shade in here. This is awesome. This is so cool. I would never have expected this in this cave. You jumped into my heart, honey.
Oh, that was sweet. Uh-oh. That's the deep part of your heart right there.
Yeah,
okay.
Don't go there.
Woo! So here's the view of the cave looking up to the waterfall. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. It's got a beautiful little trickle coming down. It feeds right into this crystal clear, heart-shaped, natural pool to go swimming with its own vent seat, like it was custom made for humans. What do you think, Heidi?
This is really awesome.
We made it to the actual infamous Waterfall Cave at Black Star Canyon, and we thought, what a better place to close and sign off for Hike Bites. So remember, explore nature with us. One bite at a time. Yeah.
Well, that was fun. Wow.
It really was.
Beyond our expectation. I mean, going in that cave was just so adventurous, and this hike was kind of grueling. It was hot, humid. We were kind of complaining along the way. But when we got to the waterfall, oh my gosh, it wasn't like flowing a lot, but up in the cave, that little heart pool, that was amazing.
It was. I enjoyed that. It's like a little swimming pool, guys. You got to make it out, right?
Yeah, for sure.